Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Non-stick roasting pan. Extra large roasting pan with rack. 17-inch x 13-inch non-stick oven roaster with rack. Durable roaster rack. The roaster features a convenient U-shaped rack that keeps meats off the bottom of the pan. Fast and even heating. Non-stick roaster features heavy-duty steel construction for fast, even heat distribution. Superior non-stick. Superior non-stick technology provides excellent oven roaster food release and easy cleanup. High-performance design. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The roasting pan has superior non-stick and wide handles for a confident grip. Hassle-free, lifetime guarantee. Chicken breast shredder. Exquisite design. EOD chicken shredder features a sleek, compact design that fits neatly in a kitchen drawer and is easy to take on the go. More than just a kitchen tool, this meat shredder tool twist is a statement piece. Its modern, stylish design is sure to be a conversation starter at your next dinner party. Plus, it's so enjoyable to use that even your kids will want to join in on the cooking fun. More efficient shredding. Chicken shredder has a clear lid design that allows you to customize the chopping intensity to your preference, whether you prefer larger chunks or shredded chicken. The meat shredder uses longer and sharper plastic prongs, making our chicken breast shredder machine designed for maximum power. The prongs are arranged in a more strategic manner to help shred your meat faster and more effectively. You can say goodbye to the days of struggling with tough meat. Measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup, and 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, and 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs for cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups are made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon is made of premium food-grade stainless steel point, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. The stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon has engraved clearly the size mark. No more guests in the kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offers 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Taco holder. Fits street taco shells, larger tortillas. Perfect for both street taco holders and larger flour tacos or burritos. This taco holder set of 4 accommodates a variety of taco sizes, from mini to large, ensuring that no taco is left behind during your taco night. Easy to fill, keep taco shells neat. The unique design of this taco holder set of 4 prevents spills and keeps your tacos organized while you fill them. Create up to 12 perfectly aligned tacos, saving time and effort, so you can focus on enjoying your meal without mess. Oven grill safe taco rack. Unlike plastic taco stands, our taco stands for 3 tacos are oven and grill safe, allowing you to heat tacos directly in the rack. Whether you're hosting a taco party or making a quick meal, this taco rack makes it easier to serve hot and delicious tacos. Dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. After your taco feast, simply place the metal taco holder in the dishwasher for an effortless clean. Unlike plastic taco holders. Non-stick set car sauté pan. Hexclad's patented hybrid tech utilizes tri-ply construction. Aluminum between 2 layers of stainless steel laser-etched with our hexagonal non-stick surface to deliver the searing power of stainless, durability of cast iron, and easy cleanup of non-stick. This deep sauté pan boasts a large cooking surface and has a 7-quart volume, which means you can fry up tons of chicken, braise large pieces of meat, poach a bunch of eggs, or roast an entire chicken. Hexclad products that are sold by Hexclad Cookware are backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects. Commercial and restaurant use excluded. Your purchase includes 1 Hexclad 7-quart sauté pan and 1 tempered glass lid. The 7-quart sauté pan measures approximately 12 inches in diameter, 3.5 inches in height, and 5 pounds in weight. Air fryer. Less fat. Now enjoy guilt-free food. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. Family size capacity. 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate fit 2 pounds of French fries. 4in 1 versatility. Includes 4 versatile cooking programs. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Dehydrate. Create flat, chip-like dehydrated foods for fun, homemade snacks. The combination of low fan speed and low temperature enables thorough dehydration. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-safe parts including the basket and crisper plate. Wipe to clean machine exterior. What's included? Shark air fryer, 4-quart non-stick basket, crisper plate, and 20 recipe booklet. Instant read meat thermometer. 2.0 inches large auto-rotating backlit display. Candy thermometer has a 180 degrees auto-rotating backlit display, making this kitchen thermometer perfect for left-hand users and allows you to use it in low light conditions. Motion sensing sleep-wake. Directly turns on and off by the probe opens or closes. Instantly wakes when picked up the digital food thermometer and sleeps when set down to save battery power. Up to 3,000 hours with included 3A battery. 3 to 4 seconds ultra-fast response time with highly accurate to plus or minus 0.9. Instant read meat thermometer features 4.3 inches food-grade stainless steel probe. Suitable for measure any type of food temp with the cooking thermometer. Lock and calibration. Instant read food thermometer features lock function to lock the temperature on the display, so you can read temp away from the heat. Keep your temperature probe always accurate through calibration function. One-touch rice cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, steamed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, yes, cake, you can accomplish it all with your ARC 7216NG cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. Capacity dimensions. The ARC 7216NG has a 32-cup cooked capacity, yielding anywhere from 4 to 32 cups of cooked rice, and measures 11.8 by 10.6 by 13.9. BPA-free. 10.00V. User-friendly programming. This product is also a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. This product is easy to use with one-touch operation that switches to keep warm automatically once cooking is finished, allowing you the freedom to take back your time instead of worrying while you cook. Accessories. This pot-style rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, and a plastic rice spatula. Storage organizers. 2-pack value set sized at 15-inch into 8 into 12.8 each. These organizers fit perfectly for bathroom organizers and storage, kitchen organizers and storage, under sink organizer and under cabinet storage. Sturdy durable made of premium thick plastic and metal tube. Ukitap multi-purpose storage organizers promise to bear more weight and stay non-deformation. Bottom pull-out design. The bottom drawer of the organizer can be easily pulled out for the convenient access of the items. Space saver organizer. No more scattered stuff around. These organizers with 12.8-inch height provide spacious space to store your items. Easy to install. No tools needed. These organizers can be easily installed in seconds. Garlic press. Simple to use, built to last. Our premium quality garlic chopper is constructed from food-grade, rust-resistant materials meant to be among your favorite kitchen gadgets for years to come. This garlic and ginger mincer is designed with built-in studs to extract more paste within seconds. It is great for both professional and home kitchens. Easy to clean. Simply rinse your garlic and ginger press tool under running water and use the included cleaning brush to get rid of any garlic bits or place it in the dishwasher for a quick cleanup. We recommend rinsing the garlic crusher right after use to avoid residual pulp and fibers hardening up. Hassle-free, Zuli guarantee. We love and take pride in our ginger and garlic press and back this up with a lifetime warranty. We offer an incredible value at a moderate price and are confident that you'll love our garlic grinder. Prop 65 warning. This product may contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer.